Now just observe the difference, children. If you see, in case of xylem, water moves from roots to leaves, and you see it's only a one-way process. Again, water cannot come back to roots, and then no end walls between the cells. They will not be having any walls, and then they have supportive sclerenchymatic walls. Coming to phloem, you see water, and it transports water. Then when I say water, it will be in the form, when we say food, it is in the form of solution. So that's why it's water and food. Then they have cells with the perforation. In the previous one, yes, here if you see, there were pits, sieve pores. So there will be some holes which will help in the movement of food from leaves to all the parts of the body. Now this can be moved in any direction. So that's why it's a two-way process. So now, where are these arranged, children? Xylem and phloem are actually centrally located structures. Why they are centrally located? Because they are performing a very essential function of transportation. That is why they are called as conducting. Conducting means to transport. So now if you see internally, what lies internal? The innermost structure would be xylem, then followed by phloem. Now most of the time, children, they may be either present side by side, parallel to each other, or they may be one upon the other. When they lie one upon the other, observe here, xylem is inside and phloem is outside. Now here if you see, this is the transverse section and this is the longitudinal section. So xylem lies to the innermost part and phloem lies outside. And both are helping in what process? Conduction process. So now here if you see the major differences, xylem, yes, helps in transport, phloem helps in transport of food. Unidirectional in case of xylem, bidirectional in case of phloem. So this movement is called as transportation and this movement is called as translocation. And one major difference we have discussed earlier, xylem has only one living cell and remaining 3 are dead cells. But in case of phloem, 3 are living cells and only 1 is a dead cell.